Hey, it's Jack. Friday morning. Market's kind of soft, a little bit flat, nothing like yesterday where the Dow was down 400. And even that wasn't that big of a deal in terms of percentages. But here's the thing. If you look at the QQQ, that's up huge this year. Even the SPY. And this is all going in the face of Fed Chairman Powell trying to raise rates. Now, people say, hey, you think he's going to raise them? I think he's going to raise them. He doesn't want the stock market up. He doesn't want employment up. He wants to see more unemployment. He wants to see the stock market down, right? He wants to cool everything off by raising interest rates. Now, that might be working for inflation, but it's not working in the stock market. They're just, they think he's going to raise rates again. The market goes down 1.7%. That's nothing. Now, after he raises it, as expected, you watch what's going to happen. It's probably going to go higher. Now, I'm a big believer in trends, and the trend in QQQ is higher. The trend in SPY, higher. So this is going in the face of inflation, and in the face of the Fed. People say, don't fight the Fed. The Fed's always right. Well, there's the stats right there to prove to you that it's wrong. That's one thing is you got to get away from all these so-called, wisdoms of the market. Don't fight the Fed, this kind of stuff. People that didn't fight the Fed, they missed out on everything we've had going on this whole year so far. So just be careful what you listen to. I prefer to tune out all the nonsense and the noise. I could care less what Powell does. It doesn't matter to me one bit if he raises interest rates or lowers interest rates. I know how to make money in this market, and I think you do too if you're following the right type of strategies. But that's what you got to do. You got to focus on what is happening now. Get rid of the nonsense and the noise. Take it out of your system. Maybe even don't watch the news. The reason is because everything you need to know is already priced into the market. Rate hikes, rate cuts, Russia, whatever, blah, 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 new COVIDs, whatever it is. It's already priced into the market. There's no lag in news, right? Now, speaking of lags, Powell is looking backwards at the data. He's not looking forward. He's not even looking at what's happening in real time. So he can raise rates all he wants. Now, I tell you, it hasn't affected the strategies I've been using. He's been raising rates. It hasn't changed anything I've been doing. Right? All these market know-it-alls, they've all been wrong. Some of these real guys, I don't want to name names right now. I'm going to save that for another video. But some of these gloom and doomers, they should just hide or they should actually just quit, right? Now, I'm here to tell you that no matter what is happening with the Fed, no matter what is happening on Wall Street, no matter what kind of garbage is coming out of the White House, none of it matters. There's always a way to make money. Always. I do it every week. Nothing has changed for me. Bull market, bear market, I don't care. Fed, I don't care. What? That's what you got to do. You got to get rid of the nonsense and the noise, and you got to focus and become a specialist on the one strategy that you're doing. Maybe one or two tickers, 3 tickers, that's all you need, and 1 or 2 good strategies. That's where most of your money comes from. So right now, going into the second half of the year, it's time to really focus on strategy and tune out the nonsense and the noise.